Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yubraz. Today also I'm here to analyze and predict Nasdaq 100 future weekly update 14th of November to 18th of November 2022. How did you do last week? Did you become profitable last week? Did you follow my last week video? If you have followed my last week video, probably you might be profitable because I clearly mentioned that before entering into the market, just check CPI data because that data is very important. If CPI data that is negative, buy. Okay, go in the bullish side. If CPI data that are positive, at that moment, sell Nasdaq 100 future, go in bearish market. The data they were clearly negative. That's the reason I believe that you guys might have entered into the bullish market, and at the moment I believe you are in profit. Okay, what is going to happen this week? This is the major question. So do you have any planning, guys, whether it will keep on going up or some pullback, and then after that it will again bounce back? Okay, so what's your planning? From where you gonna start buying or selling the market Nasdaq 100 future? Do you have any planning? If you have any planning, just compare this video with your planning. If you do not have, take this video as the reference, do your own research, and then trade carefully, invest carefully. Okay guys, so before analyzing and predicting for this week, let me quickly check what type of data are going to be released this week, and based on that I'll come back to this chart and analyze and predict for this week. Okay guys, let's check the data. Alright guys, Monday as usual there is no major data. Tuesday we have a PPI, Wednesday core retail sales, crude oil inventory. Thursday, building permits, Philadelphia Fed manufacturing and initial jobless claim, and finally on Friday, existing home sales. Okay guys, we have checked the data, and those data, they are expected to be supportive. Okay, they are expected to be supportive for Nasdaq 100 future, and that's the expectation. Okay guys, so if they are supportive, what we can predict is Nasdaq 100 future, this will pull up high. Okay, pull up high. At the moment market is in 11,800, this level. So there is immediate support level that is in 11,700. We can see this 11,700 on Monday. Anytime we can see this one, because Monday in my opinion it will not go straight, some pullback, and then it will rebound. Okay, it will go higher. Okay, so pullback, go higher. This is one of the major support level at the moment, 11,700, and if it crosses this level, if it can't hold this level, market will go further down. Last Friday and Thursday, market it jumped up from 10,800 level to 11,800 level, this level. So market jumped 1,000 point up only in those 2 days. Okay, that's the reason it is expected to pull the market down. Okay, it is expected to pull the market down. If it doesn't hold in 11,700, this level, and fell down, then its market is going to go a bit down. So for short term, okay, not for long term, for short term you can sell with the first target 11,500 level, and the second target 11,300 level. Okay, this is the selling side. And when you sell in 11,700, put your stop loss very tight, that is 11,750, because market is definitely going high. But if it hold this level, then it will be the support level, strong support level, and then market will bounce back from this level. It will go from this 11,700 level And next level, it can easily see 12,000 level. Next, that's the next level. Okay, 12,000, that will be the next level. Crossing 12,000, that will lead to 12,200 level. There is another resistance level. And when it crosses 12,200 level, next resistance level in 12,400 level. Okay, so these are the buying side. Okay, if it doesn't cross, okay, doesn't fail from this 11,700 level, buy it. First target 12,000, second target 12,200 level. At least we can see this level in this week. Okay, and if it cross this level, next resistance level 12,400. So this is the buying side. Alright guys, last week's CPI data has reflected a clear sign of cooling down inflation, which helps the Fed to revise its current economic policy. Weekly data are expected to be negative, but they further helps to push Nasdaq 100 future higher. Investors have started to jump in buying side. That's the reason we need to follow the trend, which means every dump you have to buy. Means every fell down you have to buy. Immediate support level at 11,700 and failing to hold this level will trigger to 11,300. That's the maximum for this week. Sell below 11,700 with a tight stop loss 11,750. First target 11,500 and the second target 11,300. Buying opportunities at 11,700, 12,000 and 12,200 with a target 12,400. But if it fail 11,700 and reach 11,300, buy from there also and buy from 11,500 level also. Okay, if it fail there. But if it doesn't, if it hold 11,700, start buying from that level.